Dr. Mukul sangma ubari unang yalam kaliang persyaah ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela ula kentat ban Pyniasoh bat ke One North East. Dan ke bakado bakan long tang ke Jingpynsepei ke pore ki la regi wan ban khot yu. Abagran ikilat patai kubor hakalai trek unok pra arhajar arpusan Dr. Mukul sangma uloong ba on tre ban yadan lang bat ke One North East. Dan ke bakado bakan Jingpynsepei jong menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal sangma bat upradio Hagne ke One North East kamdek bathamai namar kledon lang lupa baru ulang bagi dikit khot jong ke BJP. Ula kedau bagi ke One North East ke datang ke jing ai jakai ki baru ulam ham sepang ki freelancer hakasan perthai. Ulang ru bagi jing keli mentah kelong bahatu Konrad Kongkal sangma baru pradio lagi kuan em penjengai ladia nak BJP. Dr. Mukul sangma ulang bahkan dan cibun ki jing kela mentah hakakamsan perthai hakathan chatai lam ni barok kawai.
It's nothing new. I think Mr. Conrad Sangma, the incumbent Chief Minister of our Meghalaya, and Mr. Pratyut, they have been together already. It's nothing new. They have been together, they are together, and I know they will be together. So they will have their own space. That's it. As I have said, there will be many, many freelancers. The days ahead will speak for itself. You will see for itself, yourself. So keep your fingers crossed and see how political dynamics unfold in the years to come. There'll be many, many surprises, from the whole Northeast perspective, for the good of our people, But in as far as this very association is concerned, I don't think it is new. It is there. It's just that they are trying to reach out in a larger scale. That's all. Why do you ask this question? I have already said that this government was installed by BJP, so they are part of the BJP. So also Pradyut, he is a part of the BJP. They are together. Where is the question that rather, in fact, you have to ask them whether they want to somehow distance themselves from BJP or want to delink from BJP. That question has to be posed to them. It has to be directed to them.
So was there any invitation to you to join this group?
So far, no. I just heard they were talking. That's it. And then I don't think they should also.